Hey y'all, Bing Brianna here. If you're interested to see how I achieved this beautiful wash and go using Texture ID's Styling Creme and Mask, please continue to watch. Starting off on freshly washed hair, I used the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle shampoo, and it's actually sulfate free. And because I've changed a little bit of my goals for 2018, and this year I'm going to try not to, I don't know, spend so much on shampoo, stuff like that. So this is freshly washed and detangled hair. After I wash my hair, I use the Tresemme conditioner. I got it from Target for $4.24, and it's a 25 US fluid ounce. It's the curl hydration, and I finger detangled like JeweJeweBee does, and then I went through with the comb, with a wide tooth comb. I have been playing around with rice water, and I know you're thinking, rice water, what are the benefits of rice water? I will do a separate video to explain that, but today's video is all about Texture ID. But I am gonna show you guys how I do my rice water treatment. Starting out with my rice water in a spray bottle, and I also have a shower cap. I haven't washed my hair for about a week, I want to say, and this is the amount of shedding that I hear all throughout my hair using JeweJeweBee's method, and I will link her video that I watched below because it's awesome. Finger detangling, it don't take me a long time, and less shedding. So I'm gonna start out with rice water. Oh, and also guys, I mean, it's just so much stuff. I need to do a natural hair product routine or whatever. I need to do an updated video on some of the cool things that I have. This is one of the new kind of hair bands. I will only buy these kind of hair bands from now on. And it's kind of made out of the material of a stocking cap. It's no dents, no breakage. I don't have a lot of hair on it like I do a regular hair bow. So yeah, guys, my skin is like glowing, and I have no highlighter on. I have a few problem areas, but other than that, my hair is doing pretty good. And I am still using the Curls Blissful Length liquid hair vitamins. I actually found some at the Target in Kernersville, North Carolina for $6.54. Okay, and they have no more in stock. I got 4 of the bottles, but I wanted like 2 more for so that I'll have another complete 3 months supply. I've been taking the pills for 3 months now, and as you can see, I am almost at our pant length. Taking my rice water, putting it on my scalp, let this stay in for an hour. Now, also link the video that I watched to get me to start doing rice water treatments in the first place. Okay, so I am finished with my rice water treatment, and this is my hair after the rice water treatment. It's soft and shiny, and I actually do feel some tingling happening on my scalp whenever I do have it on. So into this review. This is the Deep Treatment Mask with sweet almond oil, wheat protein, and honey. And I'm supposed to leave it in there for about 7 to 10 minutes. I can use with a hooded dryer or steamer. And a plastic cap is optional. The results are hydrated, soft, and defined curls. Well, let's see. And it's also said that it's supposed to help with frizz. Well, the first piece I'm going to do is up here because I'm not going to... Just gonna let you guys know how I like the texture of it so that I can get back to reality high. It's pretty good so far, kind of corny, but it's good. So this is the consistency in the bottle. Pretty thick. This is a really thick and creamy mask. Thick. So it should have really great slip, even though I've already detangled my hair. And it's not too strong of a smell. It's very nice and clean. It hardly smells like nothing. If anything, I guess the almond oil, I can smell that, and the honey. But, you know, some hair products, they're just a little cray-cray, and you can, like, people actually think that you have on some kind of perfume or whatever, and they're like, oh, what kind of perfume do you have on? I'm like, none. You're probably smelling my hair. So, this is my little session that I did, and I'm loving it. I can run my fingers through my hair, and it's thick. I love a thick conditioner, and it's not going to give me a headache. Some deep conditioners that I've used in the past have given me like a headache because of the smell. So if I like the results, I will most definitely put this in rotation with my Mielle Organics Protein deep conditioner in the the moisturizing one that they have, the Mangongo oil one. I can most definitely see myself replacing, well, you know, putting them in a rotation, because this is also a nice consistency. My hair said to pay attention to the ends, give the ends a little bit more loving. So I'm gonna finish putting this in my hair, finish watching Reality High, let it sit on there. I'll probably use my steamer, and I'll be right back with you once I get finished with all of that. Okay, so I just got out the shower, and this is my hair after rinsing out the deep conditioner. Really soft. My hair feels really good, like extremely good. I'm very happy with the results. This is most definitely especially for $8.49 for Sally Beauty Insiders. This is a great buy. Most definitely will use again. I love the way that my hair feels, and my hair just feels nice and moisturized, like I just rinsed it really quick. Most definitely feels amazing, guys. Most definitely, I give it a 5 stars, a 5 out of 5, okay? 5 out of 5, especially for the price and the ingredients. 5 out of 5. So next, I am going to make a part, put in the styling cream. Put the styling cream with cocoa butter and shea butter, and it provides a medium hold while retaining moisture. Now, this also says that it's ideal for curls that need extra control and conditioning, and it's supposed to provide superb curl definition and frizz protection. Now that I have my part, I'm going to use my hairband for sectioning off my hair. Just gonna do a little bit at a time, probably 4 sections and all. Very jiggly. Very jiggly. Bounce. Bounce, 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 ba-da-doo-da. Bounce, bounce, bounce. The queen of bounce, baby, like Big Rita in New Orleans. Apply to dry or damp hair from root to end. Define curls with your fingers and twist or set as desired. Dry completely before separating. So this is ideal for twist outs and rod sets, but that's not what I'm using it for. I'm using it for today, a wash and go. And I'm also going to use my blow dryer. I have a diffuser top, but I realized last week that I enjoyed actually just blow drying my curls, and it has really good volume added to it. So this is the product going into my hair, getting it to the root to the end. So it said you should, I don't know, I don't feel like really finger coiling or anything. But what I could do is what one of the GlamTwinz Kelsey Dew. I'm gonna comb through the ends. As you can see, I have well, that's previous hair. And I'm just gonna twist out the curls. And that's what I'm gonna do. And that's how I'm gonna dry it, guys. Just at the ends. That's how it's gonna be dried. I'm gonna do each section like that. Love this. It feels really good. It's really nice. Define my curls. I don't see a lot of frizz. This is awesome. And I do have on highlighter now. I put on La Peach. Come through La Peach. This is awesome. My hair is so shiny. I love this. I give both of these products by Texture ID a thumbs up. Okay, for $8.49, you cannot beat this price for the quality that you're getting. Just look at how my hair is. My hair is shiny, it's soft, it's wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about the results. What do you think about my results? I personally love them. I just have to probably pick it out a little bit more at the root to make it a little bit bigger like I like it to be. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope that you go to Sally's and go buy Texture ID. Love you lots. I'll see you next time.